Oh! 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 Ah! Scrappy! Look at that, bro. Nice little crappy. Let him go. Little crappy. I'm actually gonna put it in my bucket and try to move it to my pond. There's one. Oh, that's a big one, dude. Oh, it's too big to use for bait right here, bro. It's way too big. Oh god. Monster brim. No. This is like the same place I got. No. Oh my god. I hate my GoPro. I don't know what that was. Something big. It just got away. That's a crappie maybe? No, another little brim. Oh man. You still up there? Yeah, this is money bait right here. This is a little guy. I don't know if y'all see that dude on the moped though, or whatever that thing's called, but he is a G. He comes down here like every day with worms and like a little double drop shot rig thing and slays fish. You know what that's called? What's that called, Jeffrey? What did you just say?
Oh, he's a lick.
Yeah, he's a legend. He's legendary.
Oh, what up?